This rebar application was written specifically for a customer who wanted to do rebar cages for piling and generate a bending schedule in AutoCAD. So had a limited number of shape codes they want to support. I'm going to start with shape code 26, and we're going to enter, we can change its size, dimensions, marks, and it'll automatically calculate lengths and weights. So I just insert that into here. It actually puts it flat. If I look at it this way, you'll see how it looks. But rather than having dealings with UCSs and things like that, we've implemented a simple X-flip command that flips it up, so that's the front view, and a Y-flip command that'll flip it upright. So there's our front view. This we can use the standard AutoCAD command to array it. Polar array, center here. I'm actually going to put 12 in. Close the array. Now, key was the ability that these are AutoCAD blocks. Here you can see the attribute information about the dimensions and things. But it's important that they could actually change these. So we want to make the diameter here bigger. So I'm going to use the rebar edit, pick all of those. And we are going to change D, let's reduce D to 300 and keep everything else the same. Now you see you've got a bigger diameter at the top here. Next, they wanted to be able to place a helix around this. So we've implemented a standard shape code 77. Let's give that a go. I think the diameter we want is more like 1500. And this bar mark will set to 2. Insert that at this point here. And possibly add in one more turn. Maybe reduce the diameter a bit before as well. 1450. Oops. 10. Edit that one. They also wanted to have triple wraps at top and bottom and lifting points along the cage. So for this, we've done two things. One, we've added a shape code 99-1 custom one, which has an automatic triple wrap top and bottom. So this, we're going to set the diameter to about 890. 9 turns, make this barcode 3. And insert that, the .xy of that, 3.5 meters up. And there we have this one. Next up, we're going to place some rebar in the middle. Let's start with shape code 51, a rectangular bar. These look about right. Let's make this bar mark 4. Insert that. Put it in the middle here, but we're going to move it down to here. And then we're going to 3D array this one, rectangular, 1, 2, number of levels, we've got 7 meters to go. Let's say 10, 700 between each. Oops, go aside. And there you can see, there we go, perfect. And finally, we're going to have some standard simple bars, shape code 0, 7 meters, make those bar mark 5. Let's put 1 here. Let's flip it up our y-axis. And let's copy to there, there, there. And there we've got our bars here. Let's just zoom in a bit closer. We can see the detail we've got. Here we go. And not only that, I've lost it. There it is. Come out here. So we're going to pick on the bending schedule. We can choose our logo, information we want to add to the table, such as address and checked buys, dates, etc. We can optionally choose to round the bar lengths up by 25 millimeters. And let's just insert the table here. And if I come along to my layout, plot, preview, you can see we've got ourselves a fairly decent sheet, accurately modelled, lengths of the members, weights calculated, and a weight summary for different aspects. Not only can we have it in a plot, but the bending schedule can also be exported to Excel. And here we have the same information in Excel taken directly from that model.